So today I'll be giving a tutorial on how to assemble all these models if you had the toy India Space Odyssey from Imagimake. So let's start. Our first model is the PSLV. First of all, you have to assemble the base. Then second, you have to attach the fuel tanks. Then slide down this tube. Attach the capsule and insert it. Our first model is done. Our second model is Chandrayaan-1. First, find these two pieces and assemble them. Then assemble these pieces. After that, assemble these two pieces like this. This forms an interlocking structure which is cool. And finally, attach the solar panel. Our second model is ready. Our third model is Aryabhatta. So first, look out for these two pieces. Then find 4 of these pieces with tabs at the bottom. Attach them like this. First, put this here, then take one space and repeat. Then attach these 4 pieces. Wait a second. There you go. Our third model is ready. Let's move on to our fourth model, which is SLV-3 or Satellite Launch Vehicle 3. First, assemble the base as usual, and then put down this pipe. Assemble this. And finally, put it inside. Our fourth model is ready. Next, our fifth model is Mangalyaan. First, find this piece. Then attach it with these pieces. Attach the back piece. Our fifth model is ready. Now it's time for our sixth model, which is very easy and it will take you a short time. Rohini 75. Just do this. You need to do nothing but just assemble it like this. Our seventh model is GSLV Mark III. First, assemble the base. Put these tubes down. Then slide down these booster tubes, the side booster tubes and the main booster tubes, and attach this piece. Finally, assemble the capsule and our GSLV Mark III is ready. Finally, last but not the least, our final model is Chandrayaan-2. First, find these three pieces and attach them like this. Slide down the door and assemble the ramp. This was the tutorial for the lander. Now this is what you have to do for the rover. It is also very easy like Rohini 75. Attach this piece. First attach this piece. And finally attach this piece. And finally our eighth and final model is ready. Now here comes the exciting part. First let's assemble the map. मेरी चुटकी की बात थी. आपने पॉज कर दिया. It's peaceful. And as you can see, we have assembled the map. So it's time to put all of the models. The first model, Rohini 75, will go here. The second model, Aryabhat, will go here. And also, I'm putting them according to their rules. Like Rohini 75 was the first rocket and Aryabhat the first satellite. Then comes S and V3. Then PSLV. Then Chandrayaan-1. Then Mangalyaan. GSLV Mark III. And finally Chandrayaan-2. Now that we have assembled all the models and put them into their places, it looks incredible. And now it is ready to be shown. Thank you. Like and subscribe this video. Make sure to subscribe to our channel for more videos. Bye.